Hey guys, so we bought a quad bike. So this is a Conti quad bike. As you can see, it's beaten up. It got front suspension, all good, tires all good. I did put air in them. They are holding. We'll see. It has a cover here. It's in the house. And then the big problem it has, it's the wiring. The wiring is a problem. I bought the wiring harnessed, and then it doesn't have a battery. It came with a fender. The fender did fail. I lost it somewhere on the N1 between FNB and Val. So the air took it. I think it wasn't tight, as you can see. Everything's loose. It got a tank, it got a carburetor, got a starter. The chain is good, so it moves. And then yeah, now I'm just going to clean it up, and then we'll start ordering some parts, and then we'll work on it. So it doesn't have a back caliber here for the brake, but it have a cable that pushes the brake fluid. So yeah, this is our first project, guys. So yeah, I'll put a new video shortly. As you can see, this is a big boy. We'll be riding these plots with it, and this will be fun. So yeah, it looks steady.